Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over software contracts using the Inhouz Cloud subscription service. So contracts are simply just a way of locking people or users into a duration or a term. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud subscription management tab. We're going to focus on our support auth service. I'm just going to jump into it right now, and we're just going to hop over to the plans and look at one of our plans. So to configure a contract term or to enforce a contract term, all we need to do is to toggle on the enforce contract term option in our form, and then we have to specify the contract duration. So all this simply means is that a user, when signed up, will not be able to terminate their accounts until the duration of the contract. So if it's a 1 year contract, they're not going to be able to cancel their accounts for 1 year. However, they can contact you and you can cancel it for them within your Inhouz Cloud subscription management tab. So, it doesn't mean that the account cannot be canceled. It just means that you're the one who's allowed to cancel. Now, what happens after the term? After the term of the contract enforcement, they can cancel. It doesn't renew. So if it's a 1 year plan, then after 1 year, they can cancel. If it's 3 years, after 3 years, they can cancel. It doesn't, all of a sudden roll into another year. Then it's, if that was the case, then it would be a endless, contract. All right. That's pretty much it. When the user signs up, they're going to see, in multiple places, the terms of the contract. And, right, by the checkout button, they're also going to see that it is indeed a contract. And they can see that by clicking on this, they are agreeing to a contract based on the precise contract terms. All right, that's it for this video. It was a quick one. See you in the next one.